Cakes are coming out.
You just need to go away. Just go away. Stop recording.
Chesney, this is your first time on the video. You got anything to say?
No. I just want to make my perfectly moist strawberry supreme cake. Give me vegetable oil, Harper.
Here.
Vegetable oil.
Oh, like a little vegetable oil. My bad. I guess I should explain what we're doing. We're making Dad's cake.
Wow.
So we're making him a Neapolitan cake. Happy birthday, Dad, by the way. Chesney, what would you say your baking experience is?
I bake.
Are you a baker or a cooker?
A baker. Baking is like chemistry.
That makes sense.
I need 3 eggs.
That was really dangerous. We're good. Should you cut it with a knife? There we go. Alright, chocolate cakes are coming out. What? Aw, no! Okay, we're about to do this. Jayden's getting her prep started. I don't have enough cameras for this. You get the gist. I gotta fix this.
How much you grease this?
I greased mine a significant amount. Oh, shoot!
I don't like you filling it.
Well, deal with it.
Okay.
I do that all the time. What else?
Bro, we're getting it on camera the only time Jayden's ever made something in the kitchen. What up, Jayden?
This one's bad.
I think you're just a little ambitious.
I can do it, but you just need to go away. Just go away. Just go away. Just go away.
We have a small crowd going. You
Stop recording.
Alright, everything's okay now. We have some egg whites down, and Jayden's putting her oil in. They're starting decorations.
Why'd you say it's so confused?
I had to think for a second.
Just do one of these.
Chesney said not to do that because then your cakes don't rise.
Well, one of them will rise.
That's what I said.
And then you're gonna have a flat cake.
Oh shoot. Well, one of them's gonna be flat, one of them's gonna be just fine. Cook time?
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Double yeah.
Bad.
Okay, that's not my fault that it broke. Hey! It's me! Thanks. The Hobie picture coming to life. Insert that here. I see the vision. I like it.